हेलो एवरीवन।
Uh,
मैं शीतल बाकरे, स्टॉक ब्रोकर एंड न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट। आज मेरे साथ है भारत सर फ्रॉम चेन्नई। और साल भर पहले विद इन लॉकडाउन के बीच में ही भारत सर की और मेरी पहचान हुई थी। तो यस भारत सर, आप बताइए आपके बारे में।
हाय। पिछले लॉकडाउन में जब आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू मेनी ट्रबल्स एंड ऑल दैट, देन आई आई फाउंड Shetal ji's YouTube blog. So I have contacted her from that. Then when I contacted her, she was it's like she was so friendly, and it's like when you find someone, and when you like what do you say, when you feel your life is going to change, automatically people will meet you, or you will meet those people. It's like that way I have met Sheetal ma'am. So from that time, and when I've consulted for the numerology and all that, then after following all her remedies, my financial situation, my family situation, health and all that were gradually improving, and I felt better after following all the remedies what Sheetal ma'am has recommended. And I I recommend Sheetal ma'am to my own relatives, to whoever are facing any issues with their family issues or financial issues, so that everyone can come out of those situations like I have like like I came out. So Sheetal ma'am, thanks for everything, and thanks for being like a mentor, and showing a right direction. And I don't know how to express my feelings and all that, but thanks a lot. Thanks a lot from my heart, from my whole family. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। कैसे मतलब लाइक कितने चेंजेस, मतलब क्या ड्रीम्स थे, ड्रीम्स कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितना आपको टाइम लगा? मतलब लाइक पहले जब मैंने काफी सारी रेमेडीज एंड यंत्राज जब आपको दिए थे तब आपको क्या लगा था? लाइक क्या हो सकता है, नहीं हो
I
सकता है?
I was thinking like इतने सारे remedies like दिए, but being in a like in 9, I was working from 9 to 11 every day, so I was thinking whether I can follow all those remedies or not, and all that. But when I started to follow, I internally you will feel it from yourself. You'll feel the changes that's happening to you. uh, that how to explain it, it's a kind of feeling that you get when you're getting out of some trouble, or when you're what do you say, uh, when you're getting out of those situations which were troubling you from a long time. So that I felt. And later on, gradually, me, my wife and my uh, family, everyone was settling down uh, after following all those remedies, like step by step. It's not like overnight thing. You have to follow the remedies exactly what Sheetal ma'am recommends. Don't skip anything from that, and don't what do you say, don't do anything less than that. Follow whatever she says, and follow whatever, um, follow it, that's it. Nothing more. Then you'll see the change, then anyone can see the changes that they need, and they will prosper, basically, whoever it may be, like I did. Everyone can prosper with numerology works. That uh, I can say from my heart, because even before that I used to for numerology, अरे ऐसा होता है क्या? But after following it, you will know. Many have those doubts. It's not like only me. Many have those doubts when you get into it. when you follow it, when you see the changes and when you feel the changes, then you'll know, okay, these things work and these things are there, and you have to follow it and you'll prosper. So,
थैंक यू सर। अगर आपको ये आपके लैंग्वेज में बताना होगा, लाइक चेन्नई बैंगलोर के लोगों के लिए आपके तेलुगु में बताना होगा, तो आप कैसे बताओगे?
Telugu, ma'am. I can do that in Telugu. న్యూమరాలజీ అనేది చాలా మంది అంటున్నారు, లైక్ అది వర్క్ చేస్తుందా చెయ్యదా అని చెప్పేసి, బట్ అది చాలా బాగా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. నేను ఐ కెన్ లైక్ నా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తో నేను చెప్తున్నాను. ఎవరైనా కానీ ప్లీజ్ మీరు శీతల్ మ్యామ్ ని కన్సల్ట్ చేయండి. ఆమె తను ఇచ్చిన రెమెడీస్ ఏదైనా కానీ కరెక్ట్ గా ఫాలో అయ్యి కరెక్ట్ గా చేస్తే మీరు మీ ట్రబుల్స్ కానీ ఏదైనా ఉన్నా కానీ మీ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ నుంచి మీ అంతటి మీరు బయటపడే ఛాన్సెస్, బెటర్ పొజిషన్కి వెళ్ళే ఛాన్సెస్ చాలా ఉంటాయి. మీరు అందరికీ అదే చెప్పేది.
एक्चुअली मुझे सच में कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, मैंने कोशिश बहुत की, बट ऐसे लग रहा था कि आप मेरे बारे में अच्छा ही बता रहे हो। थैंक यू सो मच सर। आपसे इन बिटवीन भी साल भर में आपको जो भी दिक्कतें आई है, मैंने ऑलवेज आपको मतलब लाइक हम लोग कनेक्टेड रहे हैं। एक्चुअली ये मेरी खासियत है कि मैं लोगों से हमेशा जुड़ी हुई रहती हूँ। कभी भी आप लोगों को जब भी मेरी जरूरत होती है, तो मैं हमेशा वहां पे अवेलेबल होने की कोशिश डेफिनेटली करती हूँ। और थैंक यू, आपने काफी सारे क्लाइंट्स को भी रेफर किया है, और आपके थ्रू काफी सारे क्लाइंट्स भी मेरे तक पहुंचे हैं। कोशिश तो करती हूँ डेफिनेटली सबके प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए। कभी कभार थोड़ा टाइम, कभी कभार बहुत जल्दी सॉर्ट आउट हो जाता है। प्लैनेटरी डायरेक्शन के हिसाब से सारी चीजें मैटर करती है, और इतने सालों का जो प्रॉब्लम होता है वो इमीडिएटली सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए डेफिनेटली टाइम कभी कभार देना पड़ता है।
Luckily, I'm personally and professionally, I'm in a better position now, and I'm good and happy.
और काफी सारी चीजें चेंजेस होगी, मतलब आप वो जो रेमेडीज है वो कंटिन्यू करोगे ना, तो डेफिनेटली आपको फर्क पड़ेगा। और अभी और 2-3 यंत्रास मैंने आपको भेजे हैं।
Yes ma'am, yes.
फर्स्ट ऑफ
Thanks for that.
अरे नहीं, थैंक यू की क्या बात है। वो आ ही रहा था पार्सल, तो मैंने डाल दिया उसमें, और सो डोंट वरी, वो भी इम्प्रूव करेगा। सो थैंक यू सो मच सर। बहुत दिनों बाद आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा, और आपका एक्सपीरियंस सुन के भी अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू।
Thanks for everything ma'am.
Thank you sir.
Thanks for keeping me in a direction basically.